Okay. Welcome to Forum 32, Nirmal.
Thank you.
We meet again.
Yes.
And besides knowing you as the fun person that you are, you know, people say that size does matter. Where I'm concerned, and about you, I think size does not matter.
Actually.
Isn't it? You see, I was actually talking to someone, I think Aman I was talking to today on the way from home. Ki, agar Nirmal, let's say you were to lose 20-30 kgs, your personality will change for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
But I feel we would lose out on an actor who could do characters जो कोई नहीं कर सकता शायद.
Actually, पूरी जब मैंने इससे पहले 40 kg लूज़ किया है, बट आपकी पूरी पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाती है.
I know.
तो जब आप अभी मैं हूँ तो मेरा एक अलग स्टाइल है. और अगर जब मैं 40 kg मेरा कम हो गया तो तब क्योंकि तब मैं अपने आप को ज़्यादा फ्री महसूस करूँगा तो वो एक अलग स्टाइल होगा.
सही बात.
ये अलग स्टाइल.
नहीं, I'm not talking in terms of styling.
Yeah.
I'm talking in terms of the character that you can play. You know what happens? I feel कि एक किसी की कद काठी ऐसी है तो to not stereotype people, it also happens that alright, this person would fit into a characterization like XYZ characteristics.
जैसे या अभी जो मेरी पर्सनालिटी है उस पर लाइक अभी लतीफ़ वाला कैरेक्टर है तो उसमें अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि मैं हूँ छुई मुई मेरा फिगर, तो अब जो अभी लोगों को ये फिगर पे जो हंसी आएगी, आई थिंक वही मैं अगर पतला हो जाऊँ
You wouldn't be able to use those kind of ironic dialogues at all.
तो वो थोड़ा तभी अगर मैं समझो कि मैं पतला हूँ और तब मैं बोलूँ कि मेरा फिगर, तो वो मज़ा नहीं है. अगर अभी मैं बोलूँ मेरा फिगर तो डेफिनेटली लोगों को मज़ा आएगा.
Yeah. So, yeah, there are dialogues in there that are tailor-made for your personality. तो ऐसा होता है कि जो इंसान भगवान ने जैसे बनाया है, काफ़ी हद तक I feel you shouldn't mess around with that.
सही, मैं भी यही मानता हूँ, इसलिए मैं ना डाइट करता हूँ ना कुछ करता हूँ.
No, I will only look at you from the point of view of being healthy, rather than a particular size. Because what I also believe that X amount of weight corresponding to X amount of or Y amount of height does not make a perfect human being. Your bone density, your bone weight, you know, all these things have a lot of play in terms of what a personality is. आपका structure कैसा है यार? You're a narrow build or a broad build or a medium build. You could be, I am 70 kgs, but I'd probably be looking a 75. Why? Because I have a broader frame, you know, broader.
Maybe bones heavy.
Bone heavy हो सकते हैं, और bones light हो सकते हैं, but because of the frame, I look bigger.
Yeah.
Things like that. So the idea is not about, it is what you need to be healthy. All right? कि आप थोड़ा भाग पाओ, आप अपना खुद काम कर पाओ. That is health to me.
जैसे मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना कि जैसे आपने बोला कि जो भगवान ने बनाया, तो मैं वही मानता हूँ. और दूसरी बात,
Sorry, the other card got full. We're rolling again. Oh my God, who do we have here already?
Matthew McConaughey.
Oh, shut up, Matthew McConaughey. Come here. Come join. All right, that entry is amazing. I didn't capture it, so you're
hello.
Hi. What's
going to stuff yourself in that sofa.
What's happening?
Who is going to shift here, there, a little bit?
इतना ही हो सकता है.
इतना ही हो सकता है? Of course, it's already rolling, dude.
Sorry.
I have to do the adjustments because you've come and adjusted my frame.
Okay. Take your time. Fix it. Bonjour, my friend. Bonjour. What's happening? Everybody, how are you liking my main man Lateef here? How are you liking my main man Lateef? By the way, his name is Nirmal. Let's make it very clear. I know him as Nirmal. I don't know him as Lateef.
The way you're going to him right now,
Actually.
I don't know about whether it is Lateef that you know or Nirmal.
I know a gangster named Nirmal. Like, I know a real gangster named Nirmal. When all of this comes off, you don't want to mess with what's thing. And this is not flat. This is fluffy. This is power. This is strength.
Yesterday, you know, wherever we were, and you were sitting, you know, leaning on to Nirmal there, and the my God.
Sorry.
No, thank God. I think
Leaning
you're
on
out
to
of
the-
You're leaning the way you were leaning onto him. We told Nirmal that what he looks like
Beanbag.
is a beanbag. So that's our nickname for him. Now we're gonna call him Abibi, which is beanbag.
How about just calling him Beanie? Beanie's a better name.
Beanie is a nice name.
Beanie's a nice name, but
It's all right, Nirmal. Today
हाँ.
तुम्हारा एक नामकरण हो गया है.
wait, one
Which
second.
is Beanie.
Say something. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला.
I'll be the one if you want me to.
ये पागल है.
Sorry. Animal,
हाँ. Hi.
how's the interview going?
अच्छा चल रहा है.
Good, sir.
हमने अभी भी शुरू किया था.
अच्छा, oh.